Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we shall be talking about waking up early. And this waking up early is a huge gift that you can give to someone very special. And that begins with you. And then you can propagate it to others as you begin to like it. Remember the good old saying, early to bed and early to rise makes one healthy, wealthy, and wise. Now, the early mornings have a very distinct vibrational pattern and frequency levels than the rest of the day. We all know it. Most of the animals do in their own way. Yet, we still falter and deprive ourselves of this huge reservoir of pure energy waiting to be tapped. So coming on to the wake up struggle. So I prefer to call it a 5-second struggle. So the moment your alarm rings, your physical or the mental alarm, whatever, and immediately there are two opposing forces pulling in opposite directions. One wanting to put you back to sleep, the other one reminding you of your higher aims in life and what good things that you can do. So either you are successful in overcoming the inertia or you succumb to it. So here it is so very important that you, with regular habit, develop this into a very desirable, long-lasting symbol of yourself. Now let's take the positive presumption that you've managed to wake up early. So what are the modules that are there to be followed? First of all, your body has been deprived of water content for last so many hours, so you'll do good by having a glass or two of water, followed by a energy drink or a couple of biscuits, and you should be good to go for your morning ablutions, after which you should have 3 clean hours to do just the following. So ready to start? So you have to basically divide your time between 3 major activities. One is your physical exercises, your mental exercises, and your spiritual exercises, if I may reframe so. Physical exercises are very important for a healthy body and also a healthy mind, of course. And you need to keep up your metabolism levels, be it walk, run, yoga, whatever you are comfortable with, but you have to spend considerable amount of time and make it a routine. Coming on to the mental exercises, well, your mind too, like your body, needs to be exercised, and it has to be stimulated in various ways to make it function in the best possible manner. So you need to solve puzzles, you can do your solving difficult questions. It also includes your studies. Way back in our times, there never used to be a Google, so whenever we had a very tough question which we were not understanding, maybe a concept of science or a mathematical problem, so one would come back to it in the early hours of morning and be at it till the time you arrived at a solution. So that is the power of the early morning, which I'm sure you will realize once you start making use of it. Coming on to the next aspect is the spiritual exercises. Well, these are again extremely important. This could be in the form of meditation, prayers, devotional music. After you're done with your physical, mental, and spiritual exercises, it's now time for the smaller time activities. To begin with, you need to reinforce your short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Also reinforce your value system. Along with it, carry a thought for the day. Now list out your to-do activities for the day and the nearer future. You would realize that you have already finished half of your work before the day actually begins for many others. And the other half, you already have very well laid out plans for. So it's a very happy situation, waiting enthusiastically now for the day to unfold. All great men have been early risers. So if you want to stay ahead, plan ahead, and move ahead in real good speed, go for it. All these activities by now should make you really hungry and thirsty, good to go and grab your breakfast by around 8ish, which is a very healthy sign. So, in order to incorporate all the activities that I have just mentioned to you in these early hours of morning, you can choose from time slots which could be for some 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. For others, it could be 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. And for some others, it could be say 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. and not later than that. Of course, the other activities then come in. So this works for all age groups, be it students, adults, working professionals, housewives, or senior citizens. For more, grab a copy of my book, Gentle Life Revision. Also, visit my website, anandmentor.com. And do not forget to press the like, share, subscribe, and bell icon of this YouTube channel of mine. Until next time, see you guys.